Hello Chubs, good day. Again from this huge tractor event in Panningen in the south of the Netherlands. And another field with hundreds of tractors, special thingies and a lot of things to see. So another vid with maybe some strange things, but it all happens here. Ooh, that's real modern. Nice old Ford Transit camper van with a lift roof. Nice and shiny. Wooden shoes. Must be a Dutchman. Société Française Vivazon. 1953. That's a good year, 1953. I was born that year. Oh, it's a special one. Woo. A big Unimog. A bit smaller. A bit smaller. And a smallie.
Nou, dan moet ik toch een keer kijken.
Yeah. Well, another field filled with nice old things. And big things. An old Merc, Mercedes-Benz. Converted truck into a RV. Ooh, that's a big RV. Yeah, that's a big RV. Sorting potatoes.
Wat de kunst en roos is lukt met 75 cc voor de 30 cc benzinemotor. En je moet je voorstellen, dit is natuurlijk ernstig ontwikkeld. En dit is goed te bouwen op een model van 4,5 toeren. Die motor is al
Dutch-made ex-army, DAF.
Nou, en de rest zit dus in de koeler. Dat is ook wel wat stevig hebben. En je begrijpt, hoe zwaarder de motor, hoe groter de tossiekaraktère.
Aircraft, how do you call it, cooler? 1975. Scania. And, oh, Apache. Ooh. Shiny blue.
Wat simpelere motoren.
Something you don't see every day, an OM, an old Fiat. Italian quality. Ford, old Merc, old Hanomach Henschel. Yeah. 8630, 8430. $40.50. Well, it has rained a bit, so. And a huge terrain filled with thingies, spare parts. So we're going to make a separate vid of this piece of the huge event here in Panningen. What, Chups? See you in the next vid. Bye bye.